Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services, here to talk to you about sump pump repair and installation services. If you have a crawl space or basement, you probably have a sump pump. Sump pumps are designed to move excess water away from your home's foundation to protect your basement or crawl space from flooding during heavy rains or when there's extra groundwater. The pumps use a series of French drains to collect water in a tank usually located in the basement or crawl space. Once the tank reaches a certain level, the pump springs into action and a motor pumps the water safely away from your home. Charlotte homes need sump pumps because the clay soil does not absorb water well, meaning homes with crawl space or basements are prone to flooding. If you need a sump pump repaired or installed, we'll protect your basement or crawl space from flooding. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371, or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.